Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hey guys, so I'm heading out right now to meet up with Jody. We're going to have dinner at a buffet down on the Westfield Mall that's in Long Island. So follow me on my journey to eat some food. On my journey. Looking all sweet, looking all fresh. It's still not hot though, but later. Alright, so this I'm finding left the Westfield Mall, so 31 minutes walk.
Turn right onto Broadway.
So that's where I'm going right now. My little Android phone, you know, doing a really good job for me. So I'm going to find my way to the mall. I'm walking because it's 1.6 miles to the mall. So I'd have to walk and then take the bus. I don't know, remember where the bus is. I'd have to look on the GPS, but I'm going to J Road. Run across the road while the car come in. And I made it. Yeah. So I'm going to find the mall. But I'm familiar with the area so far, certain parts of the area. Like where I'm about to go right now, which is Francine Avenue, right there. I'm kind of familiar with it so far, so I won't be lost, and the GPS is not hard. It's just that I have to use mobile hotspot, running off my data on my phone to use on this phone. So yeah, but so far so good. I'm gonna walk and till I reach there. So Jody's going to meet me there at the mall because she's heading over there from work. I should work closer there. So I guess catch you guys there. Alright guys, I think I found it. It's not far, literally. Actually the mall is not even far away. It's just a little 30 minutes walk. And yeah, it doesn't even feel like 30, it feels less. Because I'm actually there already. That's the stairs. So I'm going to call Jody now and see if she's here. I'm here already. Check it out. Watch the skies. Look at the skies. It's beautiful. Sky. Kids play area. So we're going up to the food court now to meet Jody and things like that. And then I guess we're having food there. So yeah, that's what it is. On the escalator. And we're off. Oh Lord, these fish are so big. So we're here with Jody, Mom. Say hello for the vlog.
Jody, hello.
No, Jody and her mom.
A video,
man. Oh Lord, jelly bean and ginger. Look at these massive fish. Yeah. Okay. How much pound do they weigh?
That's a good question. I would say some of the big ones would be 8 pounds.
8 pounds? Okay.
Probably normal 5, then the big guy.
Yeah.
The giant one in there that's got some weight to it.
Okay. That's it. No man, they're good man. I'm getting good pictures, I'm getting good footage. They're huge. So we're still at the mall doing some shopping and stuff like that. Got some stuff. You know, to put down in there?
No, you can't reach it. It's just like about touch your fingertips.
No, okay. It's nice. So after this mad one, forget where she going. Finally found it. The buffet. So we're going in now to get some food. There it is. Ruby buffet. Chinese. Go buy a little goodies. Buy our shoes and our heels and stuff. So we're going in. Going. You want me going to the bunch?
Yeah, she's going to that.
Grabbing some food now.
You don't want to vlog and then come back?
No.
Come show you food?
Do it same time.
Food, you carry like different stuff and carry it down.
Alright guys, so this is my vegetable plate right here. A little meat. I have corn, tomato, lettuce, a little salad.
And I
have the meat over here. That's Jody plate right there. That's Jody mommy plate right there. She just go in the simple plate. You know the simple rice and fries. So we're going to chow down now and enjoy it. So catch you guys later.
Show them the entire pot. Show them the entire.
Yeah man, let's see the plate. Alright, so I'm gonna try sushi for the first time. You have the salmon, you have the avocado, I have the rainbow sushi. So I'm gonna pick one, and then you have the seaweed salad right here. Gonna try that as well. It's my first expression trying sushi for the first time. Make it stay there. Yeah, got the tripod, one of the legs then. Take one of the legs then. Now work properly. Alright.
Do you pitch this? Where is that?
Yeah. Alright. So which one for try first? This one, avocado. Dip it in a soy sauce.
I think you should try it half and half.
Alright, first one.
You like it? Try dipping it now.
Tastes good. Tastes good. Sour, spicy.
Salty?
Soy sauce. Okay, good.
I should have taken the tuna. The tuna sushi tastes good.
First one done. Try the rainbow. By itself first. That's good. Just a little tip. Time for the seaweed, guys. Seaweed salad.
That must taste bad.
One more. Yeah, it's sweet. Whoa. The seaweed salad tastes so good.
Sweet?
Yeah.
And then put sugar on it.
Probably honey. It tastes good. Guys, make sure you try the seaweed salad. It tastes really good. And what's this now?
Pie. Cheese.
Cheese pie. See more big already? Big on park.
Yum, the something. It's not shit. Nice and creamy. Not every Chinese restaurant has this.
Alright, guys.
You want just a crab?
Tastes good. Alright, guys. So, right now, it's good. Right now, I'm full. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. This is the end result of the food. So, Jody not finished it. Jody's still a munch. But hey, I'm full. Thank the Lord. I just want to lay down. Oh, that was good. Enjoyed it. Hope you guys, enjoy the. I'm going to end the vlog right here. By saying, as usual, subscribe and share for more. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. Really appreciate you guys. Tell them later, Jody.
Bye, I'm full.
That's Jody, mommy. Still has chewed on. Alright, guys. Catch you guys next time. JVLOGS, I'm out.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better.